Hey, it's Mike Bernard, and I've got our CEO, Bruno, with me today to talk a little bit about our exciting announcement of our acquisition of Market Medium. Bruno, thanks for joining me, and give us a little bit of a background on Vendavo.
So thanks, Mike. I'm very pleased to be here. I've been with Vendavo myself for about 7 years, and the original founding vision was really around helping manufacturing companies, helping distribution companies find more profit, make sure they can get full value for all their solutions, all their products. And we've been doing that for the last 20 years.
Has that been a consistent vision, or has that changed over the years?
Over the last 4 or 5 years, we've really extended that vision to take a look at the full commercial process. So not just pricing by itself, but also the packaging, how do you configure, how do you quote, and then also how do you do that in an omni-channel environment? How do you make sure that it's not just an analog buyer talking to a seller, but also cascading that down to other channels of going to market?
Well, you mentioned channels and going to market there. Well, that's something that Market Medium knows a little bit about. So tell us a little bit about the strategic rationale for joining forces with Market Medium.
Building up a sales force yourself is very expensive and it limits reach. So more and more manufacturers and customers that we serve are looking for how they work through channels, and then equally how they optimize through the channels. And that's really where Market Media comes in. They are one of the experts in that space, and we'd love to see them as part of our solution.
Oh, that's fantastic. Tell us a little bit more about the future for Vendavo.
We want to grow with our customers. So we want to be able to solve more problems for our customers. The second piece is really around loyalty. We want to have strong loyalty from our customers, and we focus on driving benefits for them. Today, we impact about 85% of a customer's revenue, so we can actually optimize that entire revenue cycle. We want to be able to do that in the future, so we've got to continue to innovate alongside with them and also sort of stay ahead. And then the last one is really around accelerate. We want to make these solutions very simple and easy to implement. We have transitioned the company from being service-centric to a SaaS company, but even in a SaaS environment, we want to try to deliver as quickly as possible. So that last value driver for us is accelerate.
So Bruno, tell us a little bit quickly about what you anticipate this acquisition doing for both the employees and the customers of Vendavo and Market Medium.
We're expanding our family, so we're incredibly welcoming to the folks that are coming in. As I think about it from a customer perspective, we become more and more one-stop for their entire commercial process. So we look at ourselves as the ability to digitize the commercial process end-to-end for manufacturing and distribution. I look at this as companies that partner with us in the commercial process will get better outcomes.
Thanks, Bruno.
Thank you so much.